What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Winnie City Homie here again, guys. And today, happy Thanksgiving. First of all, today is actually Thanksgiving Day, and even on Thanksgiving we're out here working. So you guys can see, we got my brother's green Tahoe here, and what we're currently working on, it's on replacing the transmission. Unfortunately, the transmission went out. It actually went out since the event of my trunk or treat. He's been having the transmission there, but we haven't really had time to work on it until today. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much the whole purpose of this video, of you guys watching us replace the transmission on the Mamalona here. So yeah, other than that, I'm gonna give you guys as much clips as possible. I'll try not to bore you guys. And then obviously rollers after it's done and everything. There's gonna be a lot of things here. It's not gonna be on camera for the simple reason that it's kind of cold, so we're trying to work as quickly as possible. So yeah, other than that, you guys stay tuned. Also, guys, remember the muffler giveaway, it's still live. Like I said, once we hit 500 subscribers, which we're almost on the road, we're almost at 500 subscribers, guys. So please make sure you guys subscribe, because I do see that at least 50% of my viewers are non-subscribers. So it's easy, it's just hitting the subscribe button. And then at the bottom, it's totally free, guys. You don't need to pay for anything, so which is great. And then also, like I said, with the muffler giveaway, it's also going to be completely free, to the point to where like I said, all you have to do is just subscribe, and then you're already winning an opportunity getting the muffler giveaway. Alright, guys, well, that'll be it for today. Like I said, it's Thanksgiving Day. We already did what we were supposed to do for today, because it's starting to get really cold and it's already kind of late. We gotta go inside, get ready, because like I said, it's Thanksgiving, so it's time to go eat. Like I said, it got really cold, so we ended up just taking up the axles, not the axles, sorry. We ended up taking a few little things here, but like I said, it's starting to get a little cold, so we're gonna continue this video up tomorrow. Like I said, I didn't record as much as what I really wanted to. For one, like I said, it started to get really cold, so I definitely need to get my own little space, so that way I'll be able to run the heater and stuff like that, so I'm able to continue to work a little bit longer. But for right now, it is what it is. Like I said, we're done for today. We'll pick up this video tomorrow, and then continue this whole video until the truck is up and running. So yeah, other than that, I'll pick up the camera again tomorrow, so see you guys in the next clip. Alright, guys, welcome back. It's currently Sunday, and we started recording this was Thursday. I haven't recorded too many clips, guys, because it's been pretty freaking cold. So if you guys could kind of hear my voice, it's getting cold a little bit. So yeah, guys, like I said, it's been pretty cold, and as you guys kind of hear my voice, I'm getting kind of sick here. But we've been working without recording as much, because we're trying to do it as quickly as possible. It has been saying earlier. We already got the pan there. Reason for it is because we already removed all of the main bolts, so we left the 4x4 and the transmission kind of loose, so where the fluid's gonna be coming out. I gotta run to do something real quick, so I'm gonna be leaving the camera to my brothers and my dad. And as you guys can kind of see, he's already getting started to work on it. And obviously the one of the previous videos that I recorded, obviously I forgot to give you guys a cold start on the Mamalona Cadillac here. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So let me set this down so you guys can hear a properly cold start. Alright guys, well there you go. That's a quick little cold start on the Mamalona Cadillac here. So yeah, like I said guys, I gotta run and do something, see if I could come back with enough sunlight, and then they're still out here currently working on the truck or so. Then obviously I'll pick up the camera again. But for the meantime, like I said, my dad and my brothers are gonna be staying here, making sure they speed up the process. Now I did say that I was gonna try to record this whole video until the truck turned on, but since it's been pretty freaking cold, we haven't really done much as how we typically do. Pero I'm gonna try. If not, this video will be just enough until where it comes out. And the reason for, let me get in here real quick because it's freaking cold. Hey, look, even in the car I'm freaking throwing out smoke. But yeah guys, like I said, the reason why we're changing this transmission here, and also to explain it to you guys, is because on that day, on the trunk or treat event that I had, and I recorded in the previous video, my brother pulled up and parked it and everything, and when it was time to leave, it wouldn't go into gear. So I don't know what happened or how exactly it happened. Normally I'm used to the transmissions when you're driving and it starts slipping and you get the big huge kickback and stuff like that. I've seen that happen multiple times, but where it won't go into gears, and then whenever it does, all you hear is just a bunch of grinding noises. I've never really experienced that before, so this is a first time for us, and that's the reason why we're changing it. So like I said, we've been having the transmission there, my bad, we've been having the transmission there for quite some time already, but it's just like I said, we haven't really had time. And now that we have the time, the weather unfortunately has been pretty brutal, where we need multiple layers, and especially being underground guys, that's, I know you guys might be saying like, well, it hasn't been really too cold here in Chicago, whatever, but if you're in the ground and you're working on the vehicles for multiple hours, it gets really cold. It don't matter if you're the strongest person in the world or whatever, it gets pretty brutal. So that's the reason why we're doing it in steps. Remove these things these days and then continue on the next day and stuff like that, and so on and so forth. That's the whole reason why, like I said, we haven't really finished the vehicle as quickly as how we normally do. But yeah, other than that guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Now I do apologize also on the last video. It's been a new camera that I've been using, and what I came to notice, it's a really good camera for video quality, but for sound wise it really sucks because it doesn't have that microphone. So once we go out and purchase that microphone, obviously I'll pick up the camera and record a little bit better, but for now I'm gonna stick on with the GoPro. It still gives me a good, really quality sound and video, and that one I'll probably pick it up whenever we're doing like indoor events. But when it's outdoors and it's really windy, I'm definitely not gonna pick it up until we get the microphone, because without the microphone the sound quality is gonna be trash. So I do apologize for that one. Yeah, that's the whole reason why the video was kind of a little bit all over the place. It's really finicky, so you really gotta pay attention to what you're doing to it. I gotta get used to it, just like how I got used to the GoPro. So yeah, eventually down the line I'm gonna continue on picking up that camera and everything, and then go from there. But also, like I said, wanted to apologize on that. So yeah, guys, other than that, like I said, I'm gonna leave the camera here to my brothers and my dad, and then you guys can hopefully they're able to record something, at least recording while it's dropping the 4x4 and the transmission. So yeah, other than that, you guys continue on staying on tuned. Alright guys, pues ya se acabó el día. As you guys starting to see, it's starting to get a little bit dark here. Unfortunately, no se pudo acabar la mamalona. Everything is completely off now. It's only a matter of 2 bolts. The main one that goes at the very top of the engine and the transmission, that one wasn't able to come out. It was really stuck in there, and again, like I said, it's starting to get really cold. So it's actually about 5 o'clock now. My dad's been at it since 9 in the morning that I recorded earlier, and like I said, that thing didn't want to budge. He was able to remove the 4x4. Like I said, the only thing that's holding that transmission now is just those 2 volts. But like I said, it's way too freaking cold. He had the bazooka out, heating it up a little bit, obviously underneath the vehicle and stuff, but still, the cold weather here, it's not a joke. So we're just gonna ended up wrapping it here. By the time this video is up, this truck should be ready, up and running already. So it's no big deal. It's just I wasn't able to post it on this specific video. Once it's up and running, obviously you guys are gonna start seeing it on my videos and stuff, and have a bunch of ideas that I got going on. For right now, should be, yeah, you should be good. I do have my very first Toys for Tots that I got going on. I'll definitely post a flyer right here. All the clubs that you guys are seeing in the picture, they're co-hosting with me. So if you're seeing this video now, by December 14th, you guys will be able to take your kids to the location on the flyer. So that way you guys can bring the kids over, take a picture with Santa, get some hot chocolate with some conchas or something like that, and then obviously a toy for your kid. It's until supplies last. We have, me personally, I have already a bunch of little toys that a lot of my neighbors donated as well. So obviously the other clubs are going to be taking their toys and everything, so we're going to be posted on the Super Mall in Pulaski. Like I said, pull up is going to be between 2, it's going to start around 2 o'clock or so, and then until, like I said, the supplies last. Dress accordingly. Obviously it's starting to get really cold, so I know if you don't want to stay for too much, just take the picture, get the toy, and then you guys can continue up on your day, because I know, like I said, it's really cold. So yeah, like I said, I'm definitely gonna post a flyer. Shout out to all the clubs again that is co-hosting with me to this, my very first Toys for Tots. And then so yeah, like I said, just bring out your kids, and you're definitely gonna see this truck there. We're gonna be doing a little meet, and then obviously all of us cruise down to Pulaski to the Super Mall, and then obviously you're gonna see all the trucks and stuff like that decorated, and then go in and hand out the toys and the hot chocolate and the conchas. So like I said, guys, don't forget to pull up, get the toys, and enjoy our gifts that is coming out directly from us. And hopefully I'm able to continue on doing this every single year and bigger and better. But for now, this is my first time, and like I said, this is not sponsored, this is not nothing. This is coming out directly from our pockets to you guys. So yeah, like I said, it's the best thing we could do for now. But like I said, hopefully, fingers crossed, with the help of God and every single one of you guys, by subscribing, we'll be able to get it to do a lot more better. So yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Like I said, it's starting to get really cold, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And you guys stay tuned for the next one. Peace.